Today, we're talking about a topic that's super important for those of you looking to hit the road with a fresh start: SAP-friendly trucking companies. Now, if you're not familiar, SAP stands for Substance Abuse Professional. It's a program that helps drivers who've had a setback with drugs or alcohol to get back on track. And yes, getting a second chance in the trucking industry is possible. So let's talk about why finding a SAP-friendly trucking company is like discovering a hidden gem. These companies are open to giving folks who've completed their SAP program a fair shake. They recognize that everyone makes mistakes and that change is possible. How cool is that, right? Now you might be wondering, how do you even start looking for these companies? Well, it's a little bit of detective work, but totally worth the effort. First off, you'll want to connect with your SAP counselor. They're a goldmine of information and can often point you in the right direction. They've got insights on which companies are genuinely open to hiring drivers who've been through the SAP process. Networking is also key. Reach out to other drivers, maybe those in your SAP group, and ask about their experiences. Word of mouth can be incredibly powerful. Plus, who knows? You might just find a lead that lands you your next big opportunity. Another tip is to hit up those job boards, but with a twist. Look for companies that specifically state they are willing to hire SAP graduates. This can save you a ton of time and energy. You want to focus on those that value second chances. And remember, persistence is your best friend. It might take a little time to find the right fit, but don't lose heart. You've come this far, and that's something to be proud of. And one more thing, don't forget to keep your resume updated and highlight your SAP completion. Showing employers that you've taken the steps to turn things around can make a big difference. It shows responsibility, determination, and growth. All qualities that great trucking companies are looking for. So polish up that resume and hit the road with confidence. At movingauthority.com, we know a thing or two about navigating the roadblocks in the trucking industry. So, if you're looking for a helping hand with other challenges like getting your paperwork in order, we've got your back. Don't hesitate to reach out. Visit us at movingauthority.com or call us at 702-333-2430. All right, so let's wrap it up with a little nugget of wisdom. Everyone deserves a second chance. The road ahead might be long, but with the right support and direction, you'll get there. So, keep your eyes on the horizon and keep on trucking. Thanks for tuning in, folks. If you've got any questions or stories to share, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Until next time, safe travels.
Moving Authority Association. We have been helping people in the trucking industry for over 20 years. Let us help your company today by calling 702-333-2430 or visit movingauthority.com.